How to add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Now, tap on the three dots beside the Create option. Here, tap on Add Action button. You can have one or two buttons shown on your page to help people contact you. Tap on Edit buttons. Once you're here, you can choose up to 2 buttons to show at the top of your page. Select Send WhatsApp Message. Then, tap on Save below. You have now successfully added this WhatsApp button to your page. You can repeat the same steps to add other buttons to your page as well. Following these steps, you can easily add a WhatsApp button on Facebook page.